So let's get to it. Our next guest started working at Hitches at the tender age of 15. It's fair to say it has paid off. Yeah. She was just awarded the Michelin Guide Northeast Cities 2025 Young Chef Award winner. That's a huge deal, by the way. If you know, you know.
Large award as well. Yeah. Look at that thing. And in honor of Black History Month, we are celebrating this young chef, owner and executive chef of Marquette, whose menu is an autobiographical reflection of her journey and Jamaican roots. Please welcome Chef India Doris.
Hello.
Hi. How's it going?
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
So, Jamaica and the UK, is that?
Your dad's from Scotland?
Yeah.
How does that work?
So I'm born in London. My family are Jamaican and Guyanese, and my dad's Scottish. So it's a mix.
It's the best accent I've ever heard in my entire life. What you're throwing out right now. I'm trying to figure it out. It's an amalgam. It's amazing. Yeah. And your grandmother, that was the big influence, right?
Yeah. So my grandma, she's Jamaican. She moved over to the UK during the Windrush era to help rebuild, and she just used to cook a lot, and I begged her to teach me, and eventually she did. And
you were just at her hip doing the thing.
That's it.
Okay, all right. Tell us about Marquette. What are we? Is this is a little?
So we've got a little spread here. Yeah. So again, the food it's a mix of it's like me, it's a mix of a lot of different things. And then we have the chicken. So I grew up eating Nando's when I was a kid.
Nando's?
Nando's.
What's that?
It's like a peri-peri chicken joint. It was like
it's
grilled chicken.
I was gonna. Go ahead.
By the way, he is a pathological liar.
I don't know
do not believe anything that comes out of his mouth.
I too enjoy a Nando.
Okay.
Good. So we do have our own version here, which is our peri-peri chicken, roasted, not grilled, spicy sauce, and a buttermilk ranch. And then over here we have our grilled prawn. I just love grilled prawn.
I was going to say, what is this creature?
It's a big daddy prawn. Yeah.
That's like a big shrimp.
It's really, really big. Yeah, but it's delicious when you cook it right.
I don't think I've ever seen a crustacean that looks like that.
Yeah. So it's with a bouillabaisse sauce. Again, I lived in France for about a year and a half.
Oh, of course.
So I do love a good bouillabaisse, but again, with the Jamaican twist, I just put a little bit something spicy in there, just to up it a little bit.
Okay.
A little zazz, so that's what we got here. And then our crudo is
something with mango.
It's a green mango crudo with a lovely tamarind jam.
You get this, and you're like, do people just stare at it for 15 minutes before they eat it? And
I don't know. I'm cooking in the kitchen.
Oh my God, I would. A lot of pictures, I'm sure.
What are we making here? Because you brought some stuff that we were going to assemble. It would be a shame not to help.
So you guys are definitely going to help me do this. So we're going to do a beautiful scallop curry. We serve it with delicious rice and peas, crispy rice and peas that we do in the restaurant. And we sell out of this every night by 8 o'clock.
So this means
we gotta get
in.
Nice.
Okay.
So basically, I'm gonna guide you guys through it.
Okay.
What we're gonna do here is we're gonna have our sauce. We have a curry base ready to go.
Beautiful.
I want you guys to do about 3 spoons inside this beautiful dish here.
3 spoons of curry sauce.
3 spoons on each side.
Is that his and this is mine?
That's his and this is yours. Yeah.
Well.
Would you like to spoon mine and I'll spoon yours?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
I never thought you'd ask.
Now you have a lot. This is primarily Jamaican influences. Do you? Your dad's from Scotland. Do you have any haggis?
I do not have any haggis.
You don't do haggis at all.
No.
Of all the things to ask.
Because that would be a really nice, to make it very fancy.
Yeah, I think it's an acquired taste.
Much.
So.
I try.
Look at this. It's going to take us 15 minutes to
Gimme, you move on to the next thing.
Yeah.
After we do this, what's the next step?
So the next thing that you guys are going to do is you're going to take these carrots here, and I want you to cut them in half. They're poached carrots, yeah.
But they're little balls.
It looks
like
a
tiny little Thumbelina carrots.
Look at these little balls.
And we just put them in here or in there?
Pop them in.
You're going to pop them straight and cut
into
them in half.
Into this business.
Oh, cut
into that business.
We suck.
No, we don't.
It would
down
take
the
us so
stem
long.
Or how?
Down in half, just like that. Perfect.
Just like this? Yeah.
I like to show a little bit of the stem. I think it's cute.
Your grandma hated people in the kitchen. Do you not like people, but doing this right now? Is just are you twitching?
Oh no, I'm okay. I'm good to delegate. That's fine.
By the way, this knife is sharp AF.
Is this your knife?
You better just be careful.
Guys, take it seriously.
It's my sous chef's knife. He sharpened it before you go.
Okay, what else are we doing?
Okay, so carrots cut in half.
Look at delight.
And then we're gonna add roast potatoes.
Yeah, just put a couple of roast potatoes.
I love potatoes in curry, so we had to do that.
I'll put those in there.
And then there we go.
Sampling.
And then what we're going to do is get these scallops out of the pan.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to get them straight into...
scallop or scallop?
Scallop.
She said scallop. I have messed up many a scallop in my life. How long do you do a scallop on each side
Until you see a wisp,
Yeah,
right?
I think everyone...
You see a wisp?
everyone gets a bit worried at home to cook scallops. It's actually really easy and like one of the easiest.
And this
fish
is
to cook.
why she's a
Michelin
Michelin.
star chef, right? You're talking to a guy who makes hot pockets. How many seconds am I doing a scallop to sear it like this? Because this is perfect.
Yeah.
But then mine get all rubbery.
Well, you just got to be quick with it. So you sear it.
Yeah.
And
High
wait
temperature.
until you see this lovely golden on the outside.
Right.
I usually, and the trick is for me, so I want you to just pop these straight in.
You keep talking.
The trick is for me, I always leave the scallops out for about 15 minutes before I see them.
They have to
so
be
they're
super
not-
dry.
Yeah,
and you got to
so-
take out that muscle.
Exactly, and you don't want
wanna
them
be
to
your
be
sous
fridge
chef?
cold. You could be my
You just
sous-
pay me in food.
You can. That sounds good to me. I have
That'd be
plenty of it.
Yeah. And then you just
And
super
then
high
you
heat.
just sear it. You see that golden color. You flip it, and then we call it a kiss on the other side. Give it a quick kiss on the other side, and that's it.
That's
Super
it.
quick.
Well, thank you for providing lunch.
The more you
Of
know.
course.
We're still going to come to your restaurant.
Did we talk about the
Please.
pizza?
Check out Marquette, located in Chelsea. For more information, follow them on the gram at Marquette Restaurant.
Please do. Yeah.
Do you have your own personal
Yeah, so
account?
at India Doris. And also on the 24th, we're doing a Black History Month dinner with Chef
You're here.
JJ.
Nice.
So that'll
Chef
be
JJ.
fun.
Can I?
You have. You
She's
take
a
it.
wipe.
All right, I got to switch with you now because I got to read.
Check this out.
Thank you so much.
Nice one.
And
Amazing,
congratulations.
amazing.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.